Welcome back to another episode of Family. Afro Senpai here. Today, we're getting into calls versus puts. A call means the price is going to go up. A put means the price is going to go down. And we're going to stop there. Remember, folks, we are baby stepping our way through how to buy options contracts via Robinhood. And also remember, I make videos about building wealth along with the winning mindset because I believe that everybody deserves to be happy and everybody deserves to be free. So if you learned something from this episode, consider liking the video, commenting, sharing this video with somebody you love. If you love somebody, you give them money. What? No. But you do give them knowledge. And that's what this video hopefully provided for you. And until the next one, remember to smile because you are beautiful. Peace.